How to merge two or more PDFs on your laptop. Hey everybody, today I'll show you guys how to easily merge PDFs. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up the PDF option here and check for your PDF files. So I have these two files over here that I want to merge. What you basically want to do is open up your web browser, and on a new tab you can just simply search for merge PDF. Hit enter, and you'll find different links over here. I recommend you can use the ilovepdf.com. There are other good sites as well, but I'm just going to continue on with this one. Click on this, and it's going to directly take you to this page. If you don't see it, you can find the merged PDF on the top left corner over here. Now go ahead and select your PDF files. I'll just click on select, and then I'll head over to my desktop. Then I'll just go to PDFs and I'll select these two files. Now tap on open. And then you can reorder them if you want. Just drag it and then move it across. So let's say if I want this to be in front, I'll just drag it and put it right here. Then you can just click on merge PDF right here, this large button. Tap on it. Then you can just download the merged PDF. I'll just click on it and it will start downloading automatically. Now, if I just click this, it's going to show me the merged PDF. So this is the first page, and here is the second page. Now, these two PDFs have been merged successfully. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.